Hello, welcome to our Mother and Daughter channel. We're going to do a yoga practice for grounding. So this will help us feel less anxious and more grounded. We'll start shortly with some breath awareness. So starting either seated or lying down, placing your hands on your belly. Following the inhale and the exhale. So not trying to change your breath, just noticing how you're breathing at the moment. Breathing in, breathing out. On each inhale, expanding. On each exhale, relaxing the body. And if the mind starts to wander, just bring it back to the breath. Focus on the breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Good. Breathing more into the lower belly. I'm going to come down onto the mat as well, and we're going to start to let the body feel grounded. So really feeling the back of the body lying on the ground. Let's walk through our feet, so coming onto your heels and your toes, get that connection with your feet onto the ground. Really pressing through the feet. Now we'll do some gentle pelvic rocking. So one way we'll flatten the back and the other way we'll gently arch the back. So the hips don't actually lift, it's a subtle movement. It's a nice way to free up the pelvis and prepare for bridge. Let's just do a few of those. Let's check that our knees are tracking our toes. Now we're going to get ready for bridge pose. So we want to encourage that downward pressure of our feet, so that can help us feel grounded. And when we press through all four corners of the feet, the hips will gradually peel up. Excellent. And now slowly lower down, one vertebrae at a time. So check your alignment, check your knees aren't splaying out. Downward pressure on the feet to gently peel the hips up. And slowly lower down. Let's hug one knee in at a time. Give yourself a nice massage. Nice and gentle. This should feel good on your back. And then we're going to come to one side for tabletop position. So we're using a mat under our knees, so use any cushions or anything to pad the knees. We want to stack our joints, so hips over the knees, shoulders over the wrists, or in the belly, and start to round the back. And then we're going to gently tip the buttocks up, belly drops, chest rises as we arch the back. Pressing through the hands into our cat and inhaling gently into our cow. So one vertebrae at a time, nice and slowly. Inhaling in our cow position and press through the hands into our cat position. And now come back to a neutral spine. We're going to go into a bent-legged downward dog. Press through the hands, tuck the toes, keep the legs bent, and come into a gentle downward dog. So you can bend the knees as much as you need, pedal the feet, whatever suits you today. Think of elongating the back. Back to tabletop, and we're now going to come either into a half plank or a full plank. So this will help our concentration as well. So you could start pressing one foot back and the other leg. So either full plank or half plank knees down, full plank, legs reaching back, pressing through the heels, press through the hands, draw in the belly, and then come back down to child pose. So letting the hips sink back, stretching out the back. You can make the arms into a pillow to support your head. Really breathe into the back of the body. So try and relax, breathe into the back, the shoulders. Anytime you need a break from the class, please come back into child pose. Feel free to miss out anything that doesn't suit your body. So let's just really breathe and relax in our child's pose. Breathing in, breathing out. Then we're going to come back into tabletop, into our downward dog. So pressing through the hands, bending the knees or pedaling the feet, feeling some elongation in the spine, seeing if this feels different to earlier. Then we're going to come back to stand, either through tabletop or walking the hands gently back to the feet and uncurling the spine one vertebrae at a time, nice and steady. So coming to stand, we've removed our mats now so we can feel fully grounded because we're on the grass. So just have that feeling of being grounded wherever you are, lifting up your toes, so feeling your arches and then spreading the toes. Just find your center. Hands in prayer, lifting up as tall as you can, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose if you can. You could set an intention for your well-being here. And let's just inhale the arms up and then exhale down. So really feel any sensations in your body, feel the breath, exhale, relaxing. Good, inhale and exhale. Good, and now we're going to come into warrior two. So we're just going to take a nice wide stance. So already grounding your feet, engaging your legs. So this is our first position. Feel free to just stay here and feel grounded, or turning out one foot 90 degrees, back foot in, and just bending into that leg to where it's comfortable. Knee always in line with the ankle. Weight in both legs. Hands can be on the hips or nice broad arms. Just breathe here for a few breaths. So really engaging the legs. You can gaze over that middle finger. In through the nose, out through the nose. Feeling strong and stable. Good, and then press through the feet to come back up. Let's change sides. So just swiveling the feet, bending the knee to where it's comfortable, if that's okay with your body. Gazing over that middle finger. So really feel the strength in your feet, your legs. Feel that connection with the ground. Feel that rooting. Excellent. Pressing through the feet to come back up. And then we're just going to come into a nice wide-legged forward fold. So forward folds can help to release some tension. Feel free to use a chair if you need to. Engage the legs, lifting up, hinging at the hips, and then just coming into a nice, gentle forward fold. So you could bend one knee a little bit, you could gently shake the head yes and no. Just imagine a few thoughts drifting back into the ground, so just release any thoughts, exhaling. Just feel that release. And now we'll heel toe the feet in slightly and uncurl the spine. Hands can go on the legs for support. Back into our mountain pose, nice and tall in the spine, grounding the feet, lifting up, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Wonderful. Now we're going to practice some balance with our tree pose. So just let's get used to balancing on one leg. You can always use a chair. Good, so now rooting that foot, slight bend in the knee, lifting up nice and tall. Foot can go by the calf, it can stay here, or by the thigh. So we're going to press the thigh and the foot together, lifting nice and tall, finding something to look at that's not moving. So really feeling that leg grounding you. Always remembering to breathe when we're balancing. Good, changing legs, shake out the feet, and again, soft bend in the knee, lifting up. Foot can be here, calf or thigh. Really grounding that foot. Don't worry if you can't balance as well on the other leg. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Excellent, well done. Breathing in and then exhaling. Let's come into a nice forward fold. So bending the knees as much as you need and just hinging at the hips. Good. Really try and complete the exhale. So really try and breathe in and then exhale fully. Excellent. And from here we can walk back into our downward dog. Pedal the feet and then back to tabletop, and let's have a resting child pose. So just really releasing now, releasing to the back, breathing in and breathing out for a little bit longer, feeling every part of the body touching the ground, softening the shoulders. Good, and then we're going to have a little relaxation, so find somewhere comfortable and we'll join you there. So just making yourself comfortable on the ground, so hugging the knees in first just to release any tension in the back. You can either have your legs bent or extended. Just really start to feel the mat underneath you, so just allow the body to fully relax. On each inhale, breathe in light. On each exhale, release any tension. Just have a gentle body scan, so any areas of tension, just see if you can relax those. Relax the face, relax the eyes. Relax the back. Just allow the arms to feel heavy. Allow the breath to feel calm. Breathing in and exhaling fully. As you exhale, see if you can go deeper into relaxation. Just feeling a little bit heavier in the body and a little bit lighter in the mind, so allowing any thoughts to come and go. As you start to relax the legs, so let the muscles in the legs feel really relaxed now. Now just imagine the whole body fully relaxing, feeling fully grounded. And feel free to stay here as long as you can. My mum's going to stay down here. I'm going to say thank you so much for joining us. We hope to see you again soon. And anytime you need to feel a bit more grounded, come back to this practice. Thank you.